Hi, it's Zach here. I'm really excited to bring you today's deal on the Quickfire fire starting pouches. These things are absolutely awesome. All you have to do is light this little pouch on fire and it will burn for up to 10 minutes, even in the wettest conditions. Let's check out the demonstration.
Quickfire is the first eco-friendly waterproof fire starter that ignites in seconds. Quickfire will maintain a 10 to 13 inch flame with a reliable burn time of 10 minutes or more, making it easy to start your fireplace or campfire. Quickfire was developed to sustain a high temperature and dense flame to light kindling wet or dry. Quickfire will adapt to any weather condition, wind, rain, or snow. Our proprietary formula is the only 100% waterproof fire starter that will remain lit even while floating on water. For the active survivalists and outdoorsmen, Quickfire is an essential tool for cooking, purifying water, and providing warmth and safety.
Now, as you can see in the demonstration, there are a lot of different fire starter products out there, and this by far outperforms all of them. And it is that simple. All you have to do is light this little pouch on fire, and it's gonna stay burning for up to 10 minutes, even in the wettest circumstances. You can even float this on water and it'll stay burning. Now, you can use these for all different kinds of stuff. They're great for emergencies, they're great for camping and hiking, for starting a campfire. And look how small this is. You can pack a ton of these in your bug out bag without weighing it down at all, and it's gonna be the most useful tool in your bag. Now, I use these in my charcoal grill chimney. All you have to do is pack the paper underneath there, light this on fire and throw it underneath, and that's it, you're done. Those coals will be red hot in no time. And it is completely food safe. It's chemical free, so you're not gonna get that nasty taste in there. It's just gonna be that nice charcoal taste. We have a fantastic deal on the Quickfire in a 50 pouch canister, so head on over to the site and grab yours today.